Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? You know how I do, people. I ain't even go to sleep yet. 4:17 in the morning. I play no games. Alright, people, I play no games. I just be up, people. I just be a lot of things going through my head. I'm just so excited. I'll be always up, people. And I'm just always doing different things, researching, watching videos, learning. A lot of courses, people, working out, a lot of different things. I have people, so always stay focused, always stay grinding, and always do what you gotta do. I lead by example. All right, so you see it's 4:18 in the morning. You see that in the corner of my screen. It's 4:18 in the morning. I play no games. I do this to show you that, like, I take this seriously. All right, people, I take this seriously. So if you really try to make moves the way I'm making moves, you gotta be dedicated. You gotta be dedicated. All right. So let's jump straight into it. All right. In the last video right here, had to unlock my account, $44 cash out InstaGc. So just watch me work, people, and I'm gonna show you how to use ClickMagick. All right, it's gonna be a video how to use ClickMagick, and I'm gonna unlock my account for InstaGc. All right, so I had $44 here cash out on my last video. A lot of times during security reasons, they do that. They'll just lock it up if you don't cash out frequently, as far as like every other day or every couple of days. If it's like a month and if it's like 30 days, you don't cash out, like 3 weeks to 30 days, you don't cash out, they're going to put a lock on your shit. They're going to probably put a lock on it just for safety reasons. All right. So I'm going to show you how to unlock that right now. You're going to go here. I'm going to contact support. So let's go to support tickets right here. And this is very quick. I'm just mad that, well, not too bad. I was going to do this a couple hours ago, and I was upset, but now I kind of look at the time. 4:19 is probably kind of a good time. They're probably working. See all the support tickets I have put in before. All right, so I'm gonna create a ticket right here. So all you gotta do is go to the you're gonna go to your little question mark right here. Click that. Come in here, and then you just type in your your message, which you want to message them. All right, people. Now, one thing is, people, always remember, like, when you're doing this, I told you guys this in previous videos. When you're doing this, always use multiple emails. Always have like your emails for just like your free online money makers. If you're doing, you know what I'm saying? If you're working on free sites, just have an email for that. So that way, that's not interfering with your bank account statements, and you know what I'm saying. You have separate accounts. You know what I'm saying? Kind of get what I'm saying? All right, so here I'm gonna go to reward. I'm gonna go to here, unlock my account, please. I'm gonna come here and say my PayPal account has been locked. Can you unlock it ASAP so I can cash out my 44? You know what I'm saying? My $44. And you put 81 cents in case they try to do something with my money. Alright, people. Alright, so look. My PayPal account has been locked out. Can you unlock it ASAP so I can cash out my $44.81? And always be nice to them. Alright, people, you want your bread as soon as possible. Alright, boom, submit. So now I'm just gonna hit submit. That's in. Literally, it should not take long at all. But I'm gonna go to sleep soon, probably like around 6 o'clock. I'll probably go to sleep. Probably like another hour and a half. I'll go to sleep around 6. And then what's gonna happen is they're going to contact me within 24 hours. So as soon as they contact me and let me know, oh, it's unlocked, I'm going to cash out. All right, so this $44.81 is going in there. Let me see how many points I got frozen. I have 85 cents that are frozen, which means that some referrals probably didn't finish a survey. Sometimes you have surveys where you can do a survey, and it'll be a continued survey. They'll be like, oh, would you take 3 surveys for 3 days in a row? You'll take one today, take one tomorrow, take one the next day after that. And they just want to see if you still, like, you know what I'm saying? If you still, like, kind of recall from the survey from before, stuff like that. So they just do some type of, almost like a memory survey almost. Like I said, I'd be like deep into these things. I know so many different crazy type surveys and different aspects of why they're doing these surveys. These companies have billions of dollars to just spend to see what people like, what triggers people. You know what I'm saying? They see what they kind of like study us. They see what triggers people, what interests people, so that they can make their products better for people that like what's going on, like their interests, so that they can sell more. Basically. All right, so it kind of helps us out, the consumers. It helps the consumers out more because you know that your product is getting better. But you know that's how it works, and that's why they have so much money to pay us. That's why people be making all this money on these free sites, is because they have so much money. It doesn't matter to them. All right. So I sent that in. Unlock my account, please. Blah blah blah. Sent that in. Now when they sent me back the support ticket is gonna come in InstaGc. All right. So if you ever do this, it's not gonna come to your It is going to come to your email too, but it's going to come faster into your InstaGc. So as soon as you come in InstaGc, you'll have like a little icon here that'll pop up. It'll have something here that'll pop up, and it'll tell you. It'll be basically like a bar right here. It'll be like a bar right here on the top of your screen, almost like a header, and it'll tell you like, oh, click here to click here for a support ticket. You click it, it'll tell you it's unlocked. You go cash out. All right, that's $44 right there. All right, from due to my last video. All right, now let me show you how I work, people. All right, let me just show you how I work real quick. I'm just gonna jump into the backstage real quick. Like I said, it's gonna be a how I work video. All right, so sometimes I do videos like this just to show you guys how I be working. Like sometimes I just be zoned out and I just be like just doing different things, and this is one of them right here. So I'm gonna show you how to use ClickMagick right here. ClickMagick is amazing, people. All right, go to freeonlinemoneymaker.com/clickmagick. All right, go to freeonlinemoneymaker.com/clickmagick. All right, link gonna be in the description. Sign up. If you do want to sign up there. You're gonna get a discount. It's gonna be cheaper than what you would pay. I think the cheapest plan they have is different plans that they have. I have the middle plan. I think it's a starter plan or something like that. Not a starter plan. I think it's a starter plan or something like that. It's a middle plan. I think it's like $14-15 a month or something like that. Or you could pay yearly and it'll be cheaper. They give you a discount if you pay yearly. So like I said, people, everything I tell you guys to do, I use. So this is why I try to tell you guys, like, I'm super transparent. What I'm showing you is what I actually use and pay for with my money. Like, so I show you that. Like, it works for me. It helps me out. So I don't know why it shouldn't help you guys out. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys are in the same state, as far as same state, as far as trying to make some moves and trying to make some money here. All right. So now, you can do a lot of different things on ClickMagick. They have so many different videos. The tutorials are like impeccable. All right. You just go here. You go to if you need to see anything, you just go to questions, need help. You click that and you check that out. All right, a couple of apps going off right here. Got a couple of emails. All right, so now first thing I want to do here is show you guys how I work real quick. All right, jump in the backstage of the YouTube real quick. All right, got a couple of stats right here. Check that out. Got a couple of stats. Like I said, people, it's not like, you know what I'm saying. You gotta have a lot of watch time hours to really make some crazy money. You know what I'm saying, on YouTube, right, people? That's what I said, people. I'm super transparent. This is what I do. All right, this is what I do. All right, let me go to videos real quick. I know you're like, yo, what is he doing? I'm gonna show you how to use ClickMagick. This is how I use ClickMagick. I'm gonna go to my links. I love ClickMagick. All right, so you just have to get used. Once you get used to it and understand how it works, you'll be like, oh, okay, I kind of understand that. All right, now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my videos. Now, the reason why I'm jumping back and forth is just because this is loading. I wait till that loads up. I go here and do that. All right, so I just try to do things be faster. But I'm gonna let this load up here real quick. I don't know why it's taking so long to load up. Hey, where's the videos? Or is it because I'm on? What happened? I'm recording. I can't show the videos. What's going on here? All right, so I can still do it this way. It's okay. So now I'm gonna just do it a different way. I'm gonna go to referral link right here. I just wanted to show you all my videos, but for some reason it's not loading up. It's taking forever to load up right now. I don't know why. Right here is my referral links. All right, these are both my referral links right here. right? So what I'll do is I'll copy this, right? I copy this right here, and then after that I'll go to ClickMagick. All right. Now this is the stuff. This is how you change your ugly referral link. All right. How to change your ugly referral link. All right. Like, see this link? It's not that bad. It's actually not bad at all. It's just got numbers at the end. It's not bad at all. This one's like, right? You want it clean, all right? You want a clean link, all right? So now when I say you want a clean link, you're going to create new link. You're going to come here, free online money maker, or I could use live life wiser, right? I'm going to use free online money maker, all right? Then I'm going to put right here, I'm going to put ClickMagick. I'm going to put ClickMagick right here, and I'm going to put ClickMagick right here. Now, why am I putting ClickMagick in both spots? I'm going to tell you in a minute. Okay, now I put ClickMagick here. Now, link name. Now, once you create the link, it's going to be in your group, in the list that you just seen earlier. Well, right here, it's basically. Right here, it's going to be in the list. Now, this list that you see right here is going to be the sites that I use. And I just clean up my referral links, all right? So I come here. Now, remember I copied and pasted? Remember I came here and I copied and pasted this? I come back to ClickMagick and I copy and paste it right here. All right, this is how you change your referral link, people. All right, look. This is the primary link. This is the ugly referral link. And now it's going to look like this. freeonlinemoneymaker.com/ClickMagick. All right, so like this is how you change your ugly referral link. All right, this is why you use ClickMagick. Now you can do so many different things with ClickMagick. You could track your link. So if somebody clicking your link, you know exactly how many times they click. Like look at these numbers right here. See that? Prize Rebel. See this right here? Prize for 2,000 clicks, 100 clicks, 44 clicks, right? 31 clicks, right? So there's so many different clicks, right? So now it's up to you. If you want to change it, you don't have to. People will still click on this link. You don't have to change it. It's just that you want to be unique. You want to be different. You want to stand out. So eventually, at some given point, when you start, you know, making moves and starting to elevate, you want to be able to clean up your link. If you're doing affiliates, or if you're not, even if you're starting your own anything, you want to have your own domain, right? So you could go to Namecheap, get your domain. Go to GoDaddy, get your domain. You come to ClickMagick, you set it up with ClickMagick. All right, you come to ClickMagick, you sign up on the ClickMagick. Now, once you sign up on the ClickMagick, right, you have to go through a tutorial video. It's gonna show you step by step. You gotta just go to settings and set it up with Namecheap, so that way Namecheap knows what ClickMagick is doing. So now you are able to do this, what I'm doing. All right, this is how you clean up your link. This is how you make your own domain name if this is available. All right, like you own your domain. Like watch my domain videos, watch my Namecheap video, check those videos out. All right, my primary URL right now. So this is my ugly referral link. I want to make it this link right here. This is just I'm just put my link name, so when it's in the group in the list, I could identify like, oh, I know that this link belongs to ClickMagick. All right, so I'm gonna put create link right here. Now I forgot to do one little thing, and I'm gonna go back and do that right now. I'm gonna go to first page right here. We got a lot of links, people. A lot of links. A lot of different links. Go to ClickMagick. See, I got 2 ClickMagicks right here. See that? Let me see what this ClickMagick is. Okay, this is livelifewiser.com/magic, and this one is freeonlinemoneymakers.com/ClickMagick. Now I'm going to click this right here. This is the preview to go to the link. So I'll show you what a link looks like. So you always want to click that to make sure the link works. Once you do that, you see how it says freeonlinemoneymaker.com. See, now it's not connecting. All right. So now since it's not connecting, I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go to here. I'm going to try this link. Now, they might have restrictions on here that you might not be able to track it, because sometimes, because this what happens. If you're not able to track it, InstaGc has their own tracker, so they're not letting you track it. So some websites do that. All right, I doubt that they do that, but some do that. So always be aware for that. All right, people. So that's how you change your ugly referral link. Free online.